Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to subscribe to mods in Mount & Blade 2 Bannerlord through Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the Steam interface. Here you'll see the Community tab. Hover your mouse over it and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Workshop. This is Steam's central hub for user-created content where you can find thousands of mods for various games. After clicking Workshop, you'll be taken to the Steam Workshop page. Look over to the right panel where you'll find a search bar. Click on it and type Mount & Blade 2 Bannerlord. As you start typing, Steam will display suggested results below the search bar. Go ahead and click on Mount & Blade 2 Bannerlord from those suggestions to access the game's dedicated workshop page. Now you're on the Mount & Blade 2 Bannerlord workshop page where all the available mods for this game are displayed. Take a look at the left panel of the page. You'll notice a variety of filters available to help you narrow down your search. These filters are incredibly useful because they let you sort mods by categories like gameplay changes, graphics enhancements, new items, or total conversions. This makes it much easier to find exactly the type of mod you're looking for instead of scrolling through hundreds of options. Click on your preferred variety from these filters. For example, if you're interested in gameplay modifications, select that category. The workshop will then refresh and show you only the mods that match your selected filter, making your browsing experience much more efficient. Browse through the results that appear and click on your preferred workshop mod. This will open the mod's dedicated page where you can read the description, see screenshots, check user reviews, and learn more about what the mod adds or changes in the game. Once you've decided this is the mod you want, simply click the subscribe button. When you do this, Steam will automatically begin downloading the mod in the background. You don't need to do anything else at this point. The mod will download and install itself while you continue browsing or even playing other games. Steam handles everything automatically, so you can just sit back and let it work. And that's it. You've successfully subscribed to a mod for Mount & Blade 2 Bannerlord, and Steam is now downloading it for you to use in-game. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.